What up, family? Let's get back to it. We got a lot going on right now again. Check this out. This is just a small video.
Why you cut it in?
Yeah.
We cut the tops off. There ain't gonna be no control in this thing. I think we need to make
Cuts on the inside.
take the cuts first and then take the edge off. But I'm trying to remember how to do this last time. Stick a rip and let one roll back like that, see? Because it's top heavy. Because then I don't have to do too much holding. Put it right in the middle. Put it on this side, but this side. Yeah. There you go.
Alright.
Hold it a little bit. And I got another blade on the side in case I can get one.
That's why we have to take a break.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is about to go crazy.
You gotta stab cut that. You can't try to start at the corner. You gotta start away from the corner and back it up a little bit and then go for it.
Finish this blade off.
Yeah. Try to make it free flow, you know what I'm saying? Try not to make a touch on this, the body part touch on this. You know, this ain't no textbook stuff, but I can do it better with this. For the purpose we doing, it's good enough. most of them, the way I got this line, right? It's small up there and big up there. That's just a waste of good money. That line could be way over here and cover up the territory. Really, it could go almost all the way out. Cut it down and take the things off and see if it'll fit.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Nope.
All right.
Watch yourself.